Hello guys, how are you all? Today I am taking for you another strategy for those who want to ask, who want to and asking me to make some videos on Cortex or any other platform. So this strategy, you can use this strategy on Cortex or any other you want, or broker. Okay, so there is I am using the first moving average is 10 EMA, style is red and 2px, and second one is 5 EMA and 2px. Okay, and third one is momentum. I'm using momentum 5 period 5 to set save. And fourth one is CCI is a period is 7. Okay, the strategy is simple guys. The When the cross happens, the moving averages each other and momentum showing to the upward of the or green bars. Okay, so it's taking the for call option for 1 minute. Okay, and when the crosses happen is like this, it's lower. So and momentum showing to the red bar and lower of the is his line, and CCI is going to the downward, so you take the trade for lower for 1 minute. Okay, so I'm choosing a highest pair. Okay, now I am analyzing and showing you a couple of examples. Yes, its crosses happen, and momentum is showing to the red bar and downward of this middle line, and CCI is in our sold condition, so it may be a reversal from here, but we can watch what happened here. See the result, I've won here. So find the another moment. The candlestick, I'm using the 30 seconds for 1 minute. Okay guys, 30-second candlestick chart for a 1 minute expiration time. There is cross happen, but it's go too high this candle, and momentum is showing to the, so it's mean there is the power is buyer, it's too high and it's changing the trend. So let's see the result. Took the trade when some it's go down, because if I took the trade here, so there is some if some reversal come here, so I lose. There is the when some it's go down, then take the trade for up, because you have to maximum your chances of winning. So let's find the another moment. I take the trade here for lower because the crosses happen here. Momentum is showing to the go down. CCI is in over sold condition, so let's see the result. Okay, the result. So let's find another moment. There is cross happen, so that's why I took the trade here for low for 1 minute. Now let's see the result. There's some money here. I took the trade here for above because the market is going a huge up, so that's why it goes like this, not like this. It's like this go up, so that's why I took the trade for above, because the price is very high. So let's see the result. Yes, win here again. Let's find the another moment. So there is cross happen, but it's too down, so we need to take the trade when the market it's some go up, and then it will go down again, because the momentum and CCI is showing in the downtrend, and it's a huge down, so that's why I catch the candle's shadow for the confirmed winning. Let's see, there is a clear win. So if anyone have issues of support and resistance line on MT4 Hugusway uh, for template, so they need to join my telegram channel and contact me there. I will make some short video for the installation of the support and resistance lines, so they can watch there and apply on the Hobus way. Thank you guys, and goodbye.